In our fast-paced world, taking a day to unwind and rejuvenate is essential for our well-being. If you're looking to create a perfect day dedicated to relaxation and self-care, here's a plan that will leave you feeling refreshed and recharged. With a calming meditation session at 8 a.m. Find a quiet spot, play some soothing to guide you. This will set a peaceful tone for your day, helping you to clear your mind and focus on the present moment. At 8:45 a.m., take a leisurely nature walk in a nearby park or nature reserve. Enjoy the fresh air, the sound of birds, and the beauty. This connection with the natural world can be incredibly grounding and invigorating. Around 10:30 a.m., treat yourself to a luxurious spa session. Choose a massage, facial, or any other treatment that you find rejuvenating. Let the skilled hands of a therapist melt away your tension and stress, leaving you feeling completely pampered. For lunch at 12:30 p.m., opt for a nutritious and light meal. A salad, smoothie, or a balanced meal can make you feel good and energized. Eating healthy is a key part of feeling your best throughout the day. p.m. to 4 p.m., find a comfortable spot to immerse yourself in a good book. Whether it's a novel, self-help book, or any genre you enjoy, to escape and relax. At 4:30 p.m., engage in a gentle yoga session. Focus on slow, deliberate movements and deep breathing. This practice will help stretch and relax your body, releasing any remaining tension and promoting a sense of calm. For dinner at 6 p.m., enjoy a light and soothing meal. A warm soup, steamed vegetables, or a light pasta dish can be comforting and easy on your digestion, setting you up for a restful evening. At 7:30 p.m., wind down with an evening meditation session. Reflect on the day, acknowledge your feelings, and prepare your mind for a good night's sleep. At 8:30 p.m., take a warm, relaxing bath with essential oils or bath salts. Light some candles and play calming music to create a spa-like atmosphere in your own home. This will further relax your muscles and mind, making it easier to drift off later. Finally, aim for an early bedtime around 10 p.m. to ensure you get a full night's rest. A good day of relaxation, allowing you to wake up the next morning feeling refreshed and ready to take on the world. Remember, taking time for yourself is not a luxury but a necessity. Enjoy your day of relaxation and rejuvenation.